Hi everyone, and welcome to this Map Mavin FAQ on our walkthrough wizard. That's not a officially sanctioned Apollo mapping Map Mavin term because we don't have one. So I'm going to call it the wizard. As you've probably picked up by now, we are a pretty casual and easygoing company, so we don't stress too hard on necessarily having a formal title for every feature, which I like to think makes it a little more fun. But what I'm referring to here is our walkthrough wizard. So when you first start an account, you will see right when you log in a wizard that will walk you through the beginning steps of making a map and just getting around the system if you've never done it. Now, obviously, I've done quite a few of these, if you've even seen one other video, let alone the, dozens or hundreds that I've made over the years. So I don't have the wizard on here. But you can always activate it, whether it's your first time or your millionth time in Map Maven. So I'm actually going to start in reverse by showing you how to get back to it if you ever wanted to come back. So you would click your profile, and here you're going to just click Reset Introduction Wizard. All right, click to get started. And you'll see that I'm brought to the layers tab. It's highlighted red. And down here, it's telling me essentially the steps to get started with your first map. So we'll go to layers. We'll do what we're being told. Create a layer. And let's see. I don't want to go too deep into my computer here. So we'll just make a blank one. Submit. All right, created a new layer. And let's map something real quick here. Again, we're just demoing, so I don't want to get you too bored, but we will go ahead and highlight. What are we going to highlight? We'll do Governor's Island. Why not? All right, so make a little polygon around it, and forgive me for not being super pretty. Governor's Island off Manhattan in NYC Bay. That's technically, for you geography nerds, a lie because Governor's Island is considered part of Manhattan, but I won't go down that rabbit hole. So we click Save. I've added a layer. You don't need to make a layer, by the way, as you saw before. I could have uploaded one, but we'll click Finish. The wizard's still up because I just made a layer. I didn't actually make a map. To make a map, I'm going to want to go here and click the Maps tab. New map, you'll see it's highlighted red. Okay, and then we'll call this Fletcher's Gov Island map. Not the most creative person, so forgive me. Test map. And we'll go ahead and put that blank layer I just made. You'll see Map Mavin knows to go right to that layer. And why don't we add subway stations, just because we know it's also in New York. Okay, cool. So not exactly relevant to that layer, but also in New York City. So I've added 2 layers. We've got ourselves a map. And frankly, it'd be a map even if you just had one. But I have now fulfilled that wizard's requirements. I click Save. If I wanted to change the permissions, I could. Let's do it. I'll make it public. Click Save. And then we'll go to View It. And voila, there's my map. And you'll see the horrid notes that I've added, but we'll count it. And I've fulfilled everything that I've been asked to do by the wizard. I could then go and share it and email it to whomever I want, or also go into my permissions tab and share it with users I've already connected with, or add new users to connect with and share the map with. So there you go. And again, if you want to bring it back at any time, you click here and you click Reset Introduction Wizard, and you can get all started again. Thanks.